Hi, this is Jody. I am giving an honest review for the Cirkul 22-ounce water bottle. So this water bottle, they come with some cartridges for it, like, you know, the flavor cartridges. So basically they look like this. You just put it in that hole there in the lid and twist. You can adjust the flavor with the dial here. There's a little dial, you can turn it and adjust how sweet you want it, and then you just drink it. It's really easy. And then also this right here, you can kind of adjust like the flow of how much water you're getting, which I really like that as well. And they taste really good. So I was very happy with this bottle, and it definitely worked for my needs.